welcome back to the Software Testing by Guruji YouTube channel. As a part of this video, we are going to understand the STLC, that is nothing but a software testing life cycle, and agenda of today's video as mentioned below. We are going through each topic in detail one by one. If you are enjoying my YouTube videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start with what is STLC. So STLC is a systematic and professional process used by the testing team to evaluate software and ensure it meets all the quality requirements. STLC is used to find defects early and deliver a bug-free high-quality product. So this is the definition of STLC. Now we will understand the different phases of STLC. First, requirement analysis. Second, test planning. Third, test case development. Fourth, test environment setup. Fifth, test execution and defect reporting. Sixth, test cycle closure. Now we will go to the each topic in detail. Requirement analysis. Here, involvement is like requirements analysis is a collaborative activity involving business, development, and testing teams. Means here all the team members are involved as well as the from the client side also few people will get involved. So here tester responsibilities as below. First, analyze and understand business and functional requirements. Here tester should have to understand all the requirements in detail. Then identify testable and non-testable requirement. Tester should have to identify the requirements and they should have to separate it. Third, find missing, unclear or ambiguous requirements. So testers should have to understand the requirements clearly, then only they will able to understand missing, unclear, ambiguous requirements. Fourth, discuss and clarify requirements with PO, developers and client. Testers should have to do this activity. Then fifth, identify testing scope and test types, functional, regression and any other testing. Then 6. Analyze risk and provide priority from a testing point of view. 7. Prepare and update the requirement traceability matrix, that is RTM. And last one, check automation scope for test cases. So tester is responsible for this all the activities, and tester is going to understand the requirements, find out the all the details, missing requirements, testing scope, all these things. Let's move for the another phase, that is test planning. Here involvement is QA lead, QA team. QA team will provide the effort estimates and technical inputs to QA lead. So tester is responsible, QA lead is responsible for below. QA lead defining strategy, the overall approach for manual versus automation. QA lead estimate testing effort, cost, timeline. QA lead identifying how many testers are needed and assigning roles to them. QA lead researching and finalizing tool, that is Selenium, Jira, Postman or database, which database we have to use, all these things. Then fifth, QA lead will do risk analysis, identifying potential bottleneck, that is tight deadline, lack of data and creating a backup plan. Then next, QA lead creating the official test plan document that guide the whole team. Involvement of individual tester telling the lead how much time is needed to test specific module. QA lead define entry and exit criteria. QA lead identifying if tester need a specific training for the tool selected. QA lead is taking the action on each things. Now we will understand test case development. Here involvement is QA, that is tester, and QA lead. Here tester responsibilities thoroughly understand the approved project requirements and design document, create clear step-by-step instruction with expected result, prepare both positive happy path and negative error handling test scenarios, identify and collect the specific data like IDs, passwords or file needed for testing, Check the test cases to ensure they are correct and cover all features. Modify test cases whenever there is a change in the requirements. Map every test case to its requirement in the RTM to ensure 100% coverage. So tester should have to do all these activities under the test case development. Now we will understand test environment setup. Here involvement is DevOps or a developer, sometimes testers also involved in it. Here identifying the needed operating system, that is Windows, Linux, then browsers, Chrome or Firefox or Safari, and hardware RAM processor. Then configuring the web server and application server, install required tools and dependencies, installing the database and loading it with dummy or mask production data, ensuring the tester can access the environment and that security firewall are configured, a quick check by the tester to see if the build is stable or testable, that is, does the login page even open? That tester will do. Resolve environment related issue once the tester is informing to the developer. Then next, test execution and defect reporting. Here tester and QA lead is involved. Execute test cases as per the test plan. Capture actual result and compare with the expected results. If test case fail, log defect with clear details and evidence. Assign severity and priority to defects. Mark test cases status as pass, fail, block or skip in Jira or Rally tool. Once the developer fixes a bug, the testers run the same test case again to verify the fix. Perform regression testing and track defect status until closure. So this execution tester should have to do, and if they found any defect, then they should have to report to the developers. And last one, test closer. Here QA lead and tester is involved. Mostly QA lead is doing all this activity, and whatever help needed from the testers, tester will do that. First, verify that all planned test cases are executed and there is no open high severity bug remaining. Create a final document test summary closure report that lists the total number of tests pass, fail and bug found. Obtain test sign off from the stakeholders. We conduct retrospective meeting to turn our project experiences into best practices for the entire organization. So these activities we are doing in the test closure cycle. And thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.